Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for Moroccan styled Imam Bayildi. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take our aubergine and we cut it in half. Then we're going to score the flesh, just in criss-cross manner, making sure not to cut right through to the bottom of the aubergine. We take a baking tray that's been lined with tin foil, we'll pop the aubergine on top, and then we're going to spray it with some olive oil, and then season it liberally with some salt and pepper. Now, as always, the recipe and description for how to make this will be in the box below. And folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. Then we'll take the aubergine over and we'll pop it into the oven for 30 minutes. This oven has been preheated to 220 degrees centigrade, 200 fan. Now while our aubergine's cooking, we'll take a pan and we'll spray it with some low-calorie oil, and to that then we'll add some diced onions. Put this onto a medium heat, add some garlic, and some chopped peppers. Saute those for about 5 minutes, just until the onions softened. Now that our onions are soft, we're going to add our tomatoes, the paprika, sumac, cinnamon, oregano, a teaspoon of sweetener, and some balsamic vinegar. Give that a stir around and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now we'll season with some salt and pepper. The mixture, as you can see, has thickened and is starting to darken in colour. Pop the lid on, let it cook for another 10 minutes. As you can see, everything is fully cooked, nicely darkened, and all the flavours have incorporated. So now that our sauce is ready and our aubergines are fully cooked, we'll just remove them from the oven, separate them up, and we'll put the sauce in between the cut flesh. Now we'll spoon the tomato mixture over, making sure we get it in straight into the aubergine. Now that that's done, we'll take it, we'll pop it into the oven, and we'll cook it for a further 10 minutes. So now that it's fully cooked, just take it out. I've served mine with some boiled basmati rice. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.